Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali from Excel Basement, and today in this video we will learn that how to correct the column chart or a line chart based on the month names, and how to sort the month names properly in Power BI. So let's get started. I have a data here, and we will write some DAX here in the calculated column, and then we will create a column chart here, and we will sort the month's name. So how to do it? So let's get started. Let me just first correct the date format. So to correct the date format, you have to go to modeling tab and select the format you want to transform, and now our dates are in a different format. So what I will do, I will insert two columns. First, the first column will extract the month number from these order dates column, and the second column will extract the month as a description from this order date column. So right click on new column, and you can put a measure here in the calculated column, which is let's suppose month T, and we will write the format DAX here. Column is order date, and we will extract the month description, month name as a descriptive form. So we got all the month names here in a short format from this order date column. Now what we want is, we want to extract the month numbers from this order date column. We will insert another new column, and let's say I am giving the name which is month n equals to simple DAX month bracket open order date column and bracket close. So you will get all the numbers of the pertaining of this in this order date column, right? So now let's go to the report area and create one column chart, and let's look at what on the initial basis what we get wrong. So here I will put a check on the month T and sales USD, and I will click on the stack bar chart, or you can say stack column chart for instance, in the visualization pane, and I will get a column chart, right, or pertaining to 12 months. So it's December, October, November, then April, May, which is wrong. So now I have to sort this horizontal axis as a calendar view, which we have either Jan to December or December to Jan. So what I will do is that if I click on this more option, I have two options, ascending or descending, but this will not work here. We will got our months sorted, but not exactly from the calendar point of view, right? So what we want to do is, we have created an extra column which is called month n, and we have this numbers of months in this column. We will first sort this column into ascending. So all our data has been sorted, and then we will select the month T column, which shows the description of the month names, and we will go to modeling tab, click on sort column by, and here we will select month n, because we want to sort this column, descriptive column, based on this number column of the months. So we will click on month n here, okay, and then we'll go to the report area, and I will select one more field which is called the month, and I will make a check on it, and now you can see that our months are sorted: Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July till December. If you want in a reverse position, we will go for the ascending to descending, descending to ascending, right? Sort by month n, okay, sort by month number. The based is the month number, and we can sort it now the ascending to descending or descending to ascending, right? So now all the months have been in the correct format as our calendar shows us, Jan till December. Thank you.